It's important to spend the least amount of time as possible in your inbox so you spend more time focused on deep work. One of the ways we solve for this in comms is with scheduled delivery. You can pull up scheduled delivery in your settings by hitting Command K, and you can type in scheduled delivery. Once you're in your settings, you can go ahead and scroll down to scheduled delivery, and you can enable the setting right here. You can also set the days and times of the week where you want to focus on your inbox to be the most productive. So for example, I can add more days of the week right here if I'd like. I can also add more times here. Unless I receive a triple-at urgent message, I will only receive messages during these days and times, which allows me the most amount of time to focus on deep work. If you have scheduled delivery enabled and you're curious when the next batch of messages will arrive, you could always view it here on the top right. So for example, my next time slot is at 4 p.m. to focus on my inbox. I can go ahead and bypass scheduled delivery by selecting this icon and then typing in this query. I could also hit Command K and disable scheduled delivery right here as well. Overall, your inbox should never feel like you're playing whack-a-mole. That's why with scheduled delivery, it makes it easier to focus on deep work and prioritize the projects that count.